Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a scrub review from Oshea Herbals. Watch on for more details. Oshea Herbals Fresh Apricot Scrub. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. So scrubbing is an important part of the skincare routine. It will exfoliate the dull and tired skin, and it will also lead to smoother skin. The dead skin cells and other things like bumps etc. can make the skin look patchy and uneven as well. So now I'm telling you how is the product packaging. The Oshea Herbals scrub packaging is very good quality packaging. It comes in a peach colored tube. This scrub is light peachy in color and has the walnut scrub particles. So the scrub packaging is very good quality packaging, and the scrub is very travel friendly. So this scrub is not extremely dense or very loose, but has the good amount of scrubbing particles that helps to exfoliate the skin, and the product texture is creamy. So this is also great for dry to normal skin, like it is for oily to combination skin, as the creamy base is not sticky or greasy. You will take small amount, then full cover your face gently. So this product is very useful for our skin. This gentle scrub is especially formulated to renew your complexion naturally by exfoliating with the special cleansing action of apricot extract and walnut shell powder. So this product cleans clogged pores and make your skin feel smooth, fresh and glowing. And this scrub removes for your skin dead cells, and your skin look very fresh and glowy. So now I'm saying that how to use this product. For quick results, massage with Oshea Fresh Apricot Scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently pressurize more on black and whiteheads. Avoid scrubbing on pimples and wash it off with fresh water. This product is a great buy for the one who wishes for flawless and naturally glowing skin, and is effective for all skin types if used daily. So this product is very useful for our skin. If you like an affordable and good quality scrub, this scrub is perfect for you, and this scrub quantity is 120 gram. So this scrub is very effective of our skin. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.